Hi, I'm Shebin Sam of registration number URK18 CS277. Today, I would be explaining the eighth experiment. So that would be sending greeting message through SMS format. So it will be the app would be doing an OTP verification. So OTP would be coming in a phone through SMS format and then sending a message through SMS as well. So let's get into the app. So first I have made this XML file. So it's just named the app as Wisher and then just kept a radio button over there. Not radio button, but I've just kept a button over here. So such as login, and I've named that button as login. So when I click into it, it'll jump into the second activity. So now I will be explaining from the Java file. So I have brought a public class main activity, extends app compactivity, back to activity. Now protected void on create, bundle saved instance state, and then super on create saved instance state, and then I have passed two IDs over here, login button, find view by ID, login button, and then home layout, find view by ID, r.id dot home layout. So set on click listener has been applied for the login ID, login button, and then on check. So once if we click on the login button, it will be getting into the login activity page, a login activity class, the new activity. So we'll go for start activity. So once the main activity is passed, it'll go to the login activity. Now I'll explain the OTP activity. So how does the OTP works? So here I have passed few IDs over here. So that will be CN2, then OTP1, OTP2, OTP3, OTP4. Okay, I have passed these 4 OTPs over here. And then intent recover, I'm starting a new intent, bundle data, recover dot get extras. So OTP check, data dot get int, OTP. So it's once if the OTP, it checks to the OTP. Okay, so it will be using random function to go through the values and finding out a random OTP and sending it to our SMS. So CN2 set on click listener. So we have set the set on click listener CN2, and then we'll be checking like OTP is equal to integer dot parseInt. So as an SMS, you'll be getting OTP get text. Okay, and then if OTP is equal to login activity dot OTP, intent is equal to new activity. So if the OTP is true, if it matches with the OTP that has been initialized and sent as an SMS to the OTP that we have typed in the app, if it is true, then it will getting into the next activity. Else, if it is wrong, it will be displaying a toast message stating that wrong OTP, enter again. Now we are going for the login activity. So in login activity, we have passed few attributes over here. That is edit text, login phone number, then button, then static string OTP, static int OTP. Random R is the new random function. Initialized R as a variable for random function. Now activity compare dot request permission. So permission to send SMS. So we are giving the app activity to request permission from the user, not from the user, but to send the SMS, OTP, or if you want to send a greetings message, we'll ask the app for the permission to send SMS. So pack manager permission would be granted. Now login phone number, we are finding out that by ID, and then CN1 button, we're finding that by ID too. CN1 means continue one. So set on click listener, we have set it for that, and string phone number, login phone number dot get text to string. That means like to which phone number is the OTP going to go for as an SMS. In that phone number only we'll be getting the OTP and then verifying it. So if phone number is not equal to null and phone length is equal to 10, so only 10 digits can be allowed. More than that is not possible. Intent is equal to new intent get application context OTP activity dot class. So pending intent is equal to pending intent got get activity, and you're opening a function over there get application context, and then you're passing new variable int number r dot next in. So it will be checking out with the smallest four digit to the smallest four digit number to the largest phone number to the largest four digit number. The OTP would be using a random function to create an OTP string format, and then the OTP will be sent, and then we'll be creating a class over here log-e with tag and OTP. SMS manager. So SMS manager is a new class that we created. Is equal to send text phone number null, and your OTP for login is the message. And then OTP, if the OTP is being sent, it will make a toast message OTP is sent, else it will be asking to enter a proper phone number. Now we go to the greetings message. So in the greetings message, we are going for button CN4, edit text message, and then string message. So we are again over here asking for a permission. The reason is because after we type a greetings message, we need the permission for the app to send an SMS to the phone number that is present in the contact list, or any number, any new numbers that is not present in the contact list. So CN4, we are finding it by ID, and message find by ID. Then CN4 set on click listener. So intent you get application context pending intent, and then you're opening a default you're opening a class like SMS manager, and then login button you're checking with the destination number, destination address, and with the greeting message with the receivers, not phone number but the receiver's name, the contact's name, as you have said in your contact list. So it will be sending the greetings message will be sent to the person's number who have given. So it will be in a the format, the greeting message would be in the format of greetings dot receiver's phone number. So greetings with the receiver's phone number, and then with the message, the greetings message that you are going to send, and then take care at the end of the message. Else there won't be any message. Else, you know what, if you have not entered a message and you go for click to send the message, you click the button to send the message, it won't be sending, because the minimum number of words you have to type is 50. I mean, like, the maximum minimum is just one. You have to type even a word as well to send a message. If not, it won't be sending a message, and it will be applying a toast message, please enter a message. So I'll just run this app and I'll show you from the app itself. So I'm just going to run this. Yes. Just configuring, starting all the task. Yeah, it has come. So let's go into the messages. Oh, where it is. Oh, I just run it again once more. Coming in now. Yes, it has come. So this is the application. So what we do, we'll go for logging, we'll log in, and then they're asking to enter the mobile number. So we'll enter 820340321. Yes, I'm going for continue. So OTP has been sent. Now I'll search in my messages. Yes, here's your OTP. So your OTP for login is 1239. So I'll be just typing message 1239. Yes, and I'll go for continue. Yes, so if you want to search the contact list, you can go for the select over here, and then you can check for the set of you can find out the person's number as you need over here, or else if you want to search for a person's number, you can I have saved my number as Shebin, so I'll just type in my number 82203403321, and I'll just search for this. It'll be given over here, receiver's name Shebin. Okay, so I'll just continue over here, receiver name Shebin with my number. I'll just continue, and I want to send a greeting message such as happy birthday, and with a K. Yeah. Yes, so maximum is 50 words. You type up to 50, can't cross limit 50. So now this is a message and I want to continue. So greeting has been sent. I can press this button over here, okay, and then if I go for my notifications, see, you can see it over here, greeting Shebin, happy birthday, that message with take care. So here ends my 8th experiment using SMS verification, OTP in SMS format verification, and sending a greetings message. Thank you.